Hey everyone, welcome back to FUDS. Today, we've got an essential tutorial lined up for you. If you've ever wondered how to download and install the latest Microsoft Office 2021 on your computer, you're in the right place. But before we dive in, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on tech tutorials, tips, and more. Now, let's get started with downloading and installing Microsoft Office 2021. Now open Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. In Search, give text Office Customization Tool. In the list provided, click the following link. Now follow me and do as I do. Select primary language as matched operating system. If you are from Pakistan, in the Select Additional Languages option add Urdu. Now hit the Export button and click on Office Open XML Formats to export the file in XML format. Click the Accept the Terms option and then Export button. A file will now be downloaded to your computer naming configuration.xml. Now open Google Chrome again. In Search, give Office Deployment Tool. Click the following link and click Download button. This will download the document file in your computer. After file downloaded, now you have two files. Create a new folder and name it MS Office Setup. Save these two files in this folder. Next, we will shift this folder to drive C. Now click on the file. It will ask for location. To extract files, just click on folder in which you have these two files. It will extract files. Our next step is to open Command Prompt or CMD to run MS Office Setup. In Windows 11, we can right-click and then click Open in Terminal option to access Command Prompt. And in Windows 10, we can do it by clicking on Start menu and then typing CMD. After CMD icon appears, we will run it as administrator. Now follow me and type the command as I type. After entering last command, now we can see that MS Office Setup has just started. We will now wait for some time as progress bar windows appears. Keep in mind that you need internet connection for this setup, as it is downloading MS Office from internet. It will take about 20 to 30 minutes, depending upon your internet speed. Now MS Office is installed in our computer, we can see all MS Word, Excel and all other MS Office applications in our Start menu. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button and hit bell icon for watching such videos in future. Also click the like button and do share this video with your friends.